Hi everybody, welcome to the first World Pyro Month, and this is the first day. I decided to follow the prompt, so the first day prompt is flight. I thought about a flying animal, a bird, then I thought about zeppelins, then I thought about Da Vinci flying machines, and ended up on Chinese sky lantern or Kongming lantern. These lanterns are made of small hot air balloons. These lanterns are small hot air balloons that are made of rice paper with a candle at the bottom. The flame hits the air inside, so the lantern rises to the air. I always like to make pyrography with some extra meaning, so I ended up choosing this design. And the lanterns die when come back to the ground, when the flame dies. They were used as a war signal system in the 3rd century, and later they became popular at festivals. They are used in festivals like the Chinese Mid-Autumn and Lantern festivals, and they are also used in Taiwan, Thailand, Brazil, Portugal, and India. You may know these lanterns, and I decided to do this first project. I'm using a coaster. As I've said, this was my option for the World Pyromonth Challenge, and for this first project I'm making a video of the full project. I will trace the design and burn it. I will use some tape. This is a simple design. As I've told you, this is a small area, so don't make it too complicated. I think this is an easy one to do. So let's go ahead. I have my tracing paper, graphite paper here, so I'm placing it between the design and the wood. I have my red pen, and let's start by tracing the design. So I've traced the design. As I always tell you, keep the reference photo nearby so you can look at it and see the details. I will start by using the small round shader of my optimal one, and let's start burning.